Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to jump right in so you can take a look at this acrylic leaning ladder bookcase. Isn't it beautiful? I've had my eyes on this bookcase for quite a while. It is a little pricey at $414.99 currently. So I will hop right in if you really like it and definitely pick this baby up. It is beautiful and it'll help your space look open and airy. As you can see, your girl have actually received the actual product and I'm ready to start my decluttering by utilizing this clear acrylic bookcase. Now, as I'm unboxing this, I am looking for imperfections and any cracks or anything that I may have to contact the manufacturer regarding any defects in this product. I am looking at every piece very closely because a hairline fracture in acrylic can sometimes grow and spread and destroy that actual piece of furniture. So I did not find any of that. I'm looking at each tray that they have given you very closely to make sure there were not any cracks or imperfections in those as well. They packaged this product very well. I could actually manage it on my own, as you can see, because I wanted to be able to make my space open and airy, and I felt like this would be a great way to do that. The little white stickers that you see on it, they were fairly easy to come off. With a little rubbing alcohol is what I used, and I was able to peel those babies out quickly. And I wanted to let you know that you'll need a nice little space to be able to assemble this ladder, because once you put it together, you want to put it together right. The screws are fairly easy to put in, and most of the time I can screw most of these the screws in just with my hand, and then I tightened it with the tool with the little Allen wrench that was included with it. So don't worry about the tools. They include that. They include the screws with the clear, they have a clear head on them, and some of them have a silver head on them. So it took nothing away from the actual shelf itself, and it's beautiful, and everything turned out wonderful. And as you can see, I'm waist training and I'm celebrating and conditioning my hair. I am happy with this product. Next, you will see I have moved over to where I kind of wanted to open that area up just a little bit. I already had some dark brown leaning bookcases before, so I like the actual style. I just moved them in a different part of the house, but I wanted to open up the family room a little more with the clear leaning bookcases, and it gave me an opportunity just to kind of rearrange some of the decor that I had on the leaning bookcases and kind of reevaluate what I wanted where. You may or may not want as many items on your leaning bookcase, but this is what I went for at this time. And I even went back later on and removed some of them, just a few of them actually, and rearranged them just because one side looked a little decor heavier than the other. But overall, I love this product. I'm very happy with it, and definitely go over to Wayfair and Home Goods, because this is where I got most of these products. Thank you for coming back to She Snobbish. Definitely subscribe, like, and